In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make money taking a trade in one of my smaller accounts that only has $2,000 in it. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. B with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed for a chance to enter our next giveaway. Also check the description for some valuable resources. We have about 30 seconds until the market opens. Then I'm going to run a couple of scans to see if any setups present themselves. All right, market's open. Let me go ahead and click scan. I'm scanning on the weekly time frame, looking for squeezes that have already fired. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade on NVIDIA. It fired long on the daily time frame. EMAs are stacked positive on all time frames, and the histogram and wave are bullish. I'm going to look for this week's expiration, and I'm going to look for a call to see if I can get filled. It is moving quite quickly, so we'll see. I am purchasing 3 contracts. They are $4.05 each for a total cost of $1,215. Filled on NVIDIA. All right, my NVIDIA just went green. I'm up nearly 5%. Let's see how it goes. Just an update on the NVIDIA trade that I took earlier with you guys. I'm up about 13%, or was just about 13%. I'm going to go ahead and secure some of these profits now. Putting in a sell limit order. I'm going to see if I can close it at 450. And my order has been placed. Let's see if it gets filled. And I got filled, and I am out of NVIDIA. My gains for this trade were $135. Looking in my Discord server, I wanted to see how members did on this NVIDIA trade, and someone was up 60%. Looks like he got stopped out at 50%. Let's go ahead and look at the profits tab to see how he did. And this person did post their profits. He made a 57% gain on NVIDIA. That is something that I alerted and that I took on a small account with you guys. I only had a few contracts. He had 10 contracts with a 60% gain. So this is pretty awesome. I have quite a few members that closed NVIDIA green today. So that was great. Thank you all for trading with me today. If you're interested in any of the custom scans that I use in this video, they are on the website. See you next time.